Hello everyone, how are you doing? More than 40,000 people have been watching my video, and I know that the benefit of sound healing is amazing, but I know and we know that it can be much more beneficial if you can play that on your body and experience the full capacity of the bowls, right? So, as you already know, if you're new, I am Tseyang, and I've been teaching and playing these bowls for more than 1 decade. And with my experience and many requests from you about two things: how to play, and if I give courses. And the second one is where to buy it, where can you find it, and especially more authentic and tuned right ones, because there are many and you need to know to find the right one. So how this will work is I have curated 3 already sets for you. One of them, of course, is the 7 chakra alignment. The second one is for grounding and meditation. And third one is for management of stress and anxiety and depression. So how this works is you select one of them, and which of course I go personally and handpick all these singing bowls by myself, and I'm very, very happy to do that. And along with this set of singing bowl, which is one of my favorite part that I want to offer, is an unlisted video for you to learn how to play, so that you can play for yourself and so that you can play for others, and we benefit more and more people. So with all the details and information will be in my website, the link that I have left down below. And unfortunately, I will be only able to take 10 first orders because I don't have that much time, because selecting each singing bowls and to be at these places takes a lot of time. So apologies for this, but 10 requests I would take, and by the end of July, when I have all the requests, I will send them all together